अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
दीदी के दरबार में, दीदी के दरबार में, मतलब मैं तो बता दूं, राधिका मदान सबसे बड़ी फैन होने के बावजूद भी तुम कैसे सरप्राइज कर लेती हो यार। व्हाट इज दैट क्रेजी क्रेजी रोल। ओके, एनीवे, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू सी यू। वेलकम टू बोल बेबी बोल। कैसी हो?
Thank you so much. What an introduction, huh? Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're too kind. Too
Not
kind.
at all, not at all. Let me start by saying, मैंने हाल ही में 2 एंथोलॉजीज देखे और दोनों में राधिका मदान है, तो मैंने कहा वाओ, मतलब आपने आपटे को रिप्लेस कर दिया है नेटफ्लिक्स में। लेकिन राधिका तो है।
वही नेटफ्लिक्स को राधिका नाम से प्यार है. I just lucked out with that.
I feel so. But how cool is it? What is it about anthologies? पहले इसके साथ शुरू करते हैं. What are the advantages of working in the short format?
See, as a viewer, I enjoy anthologies because मुझे अगर मेरे पास टाइम कम है ना और मैं इतना इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकती 2.5 घंटे की मूवीज में, तो मैं फटाफट बीच में आधे घंटे का ब्रेक लिया, देखा एंड निकल लिए. So as a viewer, it's really enjoyable for me कि मैं रास्ते में देख रही हूँ, फोन पे देख लूंगी जाते हुए जब तक मैं पहुंचती हूँ बॉम्बे ट्रैफिक तो तब तक मेरी एक मूवी खत्म हो जाती है. So as a viewer, I enjoy that more. But when it comes to doing an anthology, I think वो depend करता है कि script कैसी है. Because Ray was really challenging. Like it wasn't painless and easy breezy. It wasn't that for me because I had to learn a dialect. There was a certain body language that I had to master. It was a really complex character. So that was like really tough. But on the other hand, feels like Ishq was really breezy. Like honestly, it was a break for me. And I really needed that break because I went on the sets and I just had a blast and I came back.
I enjoyed watching you in both, let me tell you. And let me talk about Ray. Ray is a 1-hour short film, so it's not really short. Okay, so let's start with that. लेकिन उस घंटे में, I think तुम्हारा मतलब स्क्रीन टाइम अगर देखे तो कितना ही है यार, 20 मिनट भी नहीं है. बट जो बिल्डअप है, एंड लेट मी टेक द ऑडियंस बैक टू दैट वन सीन जहां पर तुम लिटरली हर्षवर्धन से कहती हो कि तुम्हारा तुम दीदी कैसे बनी. I was watching that scene again and again, and I was like, wow, this is a one take. कितने pages थे? And can you go back to that scene and tell me ये magic कैसे हुआ?
So I also didn't expect Vasan sir to not cut because it was a 2-3 page long scene.
Yeah.
And I don't know, yaar. I was also not informed. I was told कि यहाँ तक करेंगे. एक उन्होंने मार्क करके बोला था. Then they wanted to change the camera angle and all of that. But I just kept on going and they didn't call cut. And the whole monologue was over and then Vasan sir was like, we got it. And I was like, what? Did we actually get it? And I literally begged him for 2-3 more takes. But he just gave me one more take के ऐसे ही इसको खुश करने के लिए दे दो. But I know Vasan sir. It happens with me. It happens with him all the time. In Mard as well, I had a scene with my mother where he didn't call cut, and I kept on going on, and I kept begging him for 2-3 more takes, and he didn't give it to me.
अरे दीदी, तुम्हारे मतलब तारीफ ही है तुम्हारी यार. Come on.
तारीफ है नहीं है वो मुझे नहीं पता है, but as an actor you feel कि अरे अभी तो वार्म अप हुआ है ना.
हाँ.
And it's really कि अभी वार्म अप हुआ है, अभी हम घुसेंगे फिर होगा. But पता नहीं, I think it all goes to Vasan sir because उनको जो दिखता है वो शायद और किसी को नहीं दिखता है. मुझे खुद नहीं दिखता है.
बिल्कुल. I mean, I love his worldview, and I must also say that I found it very interesting because as an actor तुमने कहा कि दीदी का रोल तुम्हारे लिए इतना important इसीलिए था क्योंकि you got a chance to experience power. ये किस किस्म का power होता है. Very interesting. मुझे बताओ इसके बारे में.
So I'm an upcoming actor, okay. The reason I did Didi was because अगर आप ऑन पेपर देखो तो ऐसा नहीं है ना ऐसे कि 15-20 मिनट का रोल है,
हाँ
अरे ये तो अभी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर है, तो कैसे गॉड वुमन कैसे प्ले कर सकती है, ये वो, ऑन पेपर वॉट एवर इट इज. द रीजन आई रियली वांटेड टू डू इट वाज क्योंकि मैं एक अपकमिंग एक्टर हूँ. I was getting an opportunity to experience the power that was superseding a superstar. I don't know if I'll ever experience that. I don't know. I hope I do.
You will, and you will. So yes, we will.
Thank you. I hope I do. But I haven't yet experienced it, and I didn't want to let go of that opportunity. ताकि मैं वो 15 मिनट के अंदर वो जी लूं जो पता नहीं मुझे कितने साल लगेंगे पहुंचने में.
You know, which brings me to a fun question कि इस वक्त राधिका मदान कितनी पावरफुल है, या मुझे बताओ एक ऐसी चीज जहां पर तुम्हारी नहीं चलती. As an actor, you just called yourself an upcoming actor. क्या होता है आज? मैं I can't believe कि आज भी कोई स्ट्रगल हो सकती है. दीदी बताओ क्या है स्ट्रगल, मुझे बताओ.
Struggle की बात नहीं है. I think it's just I am like right now I'm relatively new. I'm paving my own path. I'm अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. I hope I keep surprising people. I hope I win the love of the audience and the critics. But अभी चल रहे हैं, अभी पहुंचे नहीं है.
What I loved about you, Radhika, was also the fact that you were one of those few actors जिन्होंने अपने इंटरव्यूज में कहा था कि यार मैंने तो कहा कि मेरा ऑडिशन ले लो. You know, when you knew of a film that you really wanted to do. So एक तो होता है go getter, और दूसरी बात ये भी कि you wanted to give yourself a fair chance. What I'm curious is because ये वाली जो बात है almost 2 साल पुरानी है. 2 साल में काफी कुछ हो गया है. You've done some fantastic work. आज के दौर में where is that sort of how are you placed? Do you think that you're better placed in the industry? लोग सामने से अब फोन करते हैं, ऑडिशन होते हैं, या तुम अभी भी लोगों को मैसेज करती हो?
No, thankfully after Angrezi things have changed. I would want to say that right now thankfully I am in a position where I'm getting to choose, which is huge for me. Huge. And इसके बाद जो मैं करती हूँ that's gonna be my call. And वो मेरा path होगा जो मैं pave करना चाहूंगी. But auditions still happen.
Okay.
I am not at all egoistic about it. I love giving auditions. I think I perform better in auditions than I do in the films, I must say.
Oh my God, that's not a good thing. अगली पिक्चर से राधिका मदान के ऑडिशन रील्स प्लीज कर दो नेटफ्लिक्स, हम देख लेंगे.
Only Radhika Madan auditions. No, but I don't know. There's something about it. I love it. I don't miss an opportunity to give an audition. अगर वो बोलेंगे भी ना कि अगर नहीं it's okay, ये वो बोलेंगे नहीं sir ले लो. So I don't know. I just love giving auditions. ताकि I'm also clear and the other person is also clear and there are no doubts in between कि अच्छा कर पाएगी, maybe पता नहीं कैसे, वो सब नहीं चाहिए. आप भी खुश रहो and मैं भी खुश रहूँ.
I also always wonder because मैंने तुम्हारी जर्नी फॉलो की है, तुमसे बात की है, हम outside of work भी मिले हैं. And what has always struck me about you is that you're this girl who came to this crazy city to make it, right? And in some way I feel that you were in a good position because चलो यार your parents did support you. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि माँ बाप का सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. लेकिन फिर भी यार लड़की कुड़ी बॉम्बे आई है, and if I had to go through the same thing, I often put myself in your place. So I want to ask you कि इस दौर में maybe क्योंकि कुछ साल हो गए हैं, these kind of films that you've done, तुम्हें लगता है कि अब industry is a place जहाँ पर I'm very curious, तुम्हारे कोई दोस्त हैं who do you look to advice for? Because अक्सर जिनका इंडस्ट्री में कोई नहीं होता, and you're one of the best examples of someone who made it despite of coming from the outside, तुम किसकी सुनती हो? Do you have a sounding board?
Yes, I do. तो क्या होता है कि जब आप इंडस्ट्री से नहीं होते हो तब आप काम करते करते अपने रिश्ते बनाते हो. हर प्रोजेक्ट में आपका कुछ बन जाता है, अपना एक कनेक्शन बन जाता है. Thankfully, I've shared a great rapport with all of my directors. who I've worked with till now. Vasan sir is like family, and so is Vishal sir, to be very honest. तो वासन सर और विशाल सर के साथ क्या हो जाता है कि आप कभी भी कुछ भी जाके उनसे पूछ सकते हो, कोई भी एडवाइस लेनी है, सर ये हो रहा है, ये सोच रहे हैं, तो मतलब दे जस्ट अ कॉल अवे.
Wow.
एंड तो आई थिंक आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट कि मेरे को मौका मिला उनके साथ मे बी काम करने का एंड देन वो रिलेशनशिप बनाने का. सो दे आर माय मेंटर्स एंड आई they're like my family here, yaar. And you know, all my co-actors, I share a good relationship with all of my co-actors. Like Sanya is like my family here.
That's true.
Yeah, so I make sure that I meet her almost every week, and it's, you know, we don't even talk about work.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you're not talking about work, then you're not just actors.
Yeah.
Then you're Radhika and Sanya.
Bilkul.
So then you share a beautiful bond and relationship, and that is something that I'm really, really grateful for.
You know, I think this is a great point to talk about my next question, which is, you know, what sort of a friend are you? Because save the date mein, you play this friend who meddles in her friend's marriage. You know, शादी हो रही है, दुल्हन भाग गई है, and there you are. Hey guys, this is Avni. I just loved it. इतना मजा आया. You know, just watching that opening shot with you, just being an influencer. तो वो इन्फ्लुएंजा वाली बात हम करेंगे. But what sort of a friend are you in real life? दोस्तों का दोस्त, यारों का यार, 3 बजे फोन कर सकती तुम्हें अगर तुम मेरी दोस्त हो.
बिल्कुल बेझिझक. Like I think I'm really similar to Avni. I like, it's sad, but I do like to meddle in people's life. I feel that love is the it thing, and everybody should fall in love. And if you're not dating, then I'll set you up with this person, which is really irritating for my friends, to be very honest. So I have, you know, the same group from the past 15 years now, 15-17 years. मेरे स्कूल की 2 लड़कियां हैं, Aditi and Manvi. They're from Delhi, and one of them recently got married. So जो आपने, yeah, it was really emotional. I was like, what? Really? Okay, yeah. So if you remember the opening scene of Feels Like Ish, Save the Date, the room that you saw, we had a similar situation there because I was the bridesmaid, and you know, we were taking care of her, and the room was a mess, and we didn't let auntie enter the room, and because it smelled like us. And yeah, so it was, I'm really similar to Avni when it comes to being यारों का यार.
Fantastic. And now let's talk about the influenza bit. मतलब तुम्हें मजा आ रहा है इंस्टा पे, मतलब जो दीदी लुक्स दे रही है, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है मुझे. लेकिन मुझे बताओ, as an actor who's like sort of like सीवी तो नहीं कहूंगी because सीवी फिल्में होती है, but कहते हैं ना एक विंडो ड्रेसिंग होता है. How do you actually like reply or see or on Instagram या लोग मैनेज करते हैं, या कौन लगाता है ये पोस्ट, कोई एडवाइस करता है, सोशल मीडिया टीम सब कुछ करती है? प्लीज मुझे बता, I really want to know.
To be very honest, कोई नहीं करता है, मैं खुद ही करती हूँ. एंड और कोई भी पोस्ट लगाने होते हैं तो आई थिंक मैं सबसे पहले अपने वो स्कूल फ्रेंड्स वाले ग्रुप में भेजती हूँ कि which one is looking nice, and then I send them the caption, and then they're like, हाँ this is filmy, put it, this is so you put it. So एक ही विंडो से अप्रूव होता है, एक या तो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वाले ग्रुप से या मेरी मॉम से, बिकॉज उनको लगता है हाय मेरी बेटी ये वाली लगा दे प्लीज, ये वाली लगा दे, बिकॉज I usually send her all the pictures. Like she loves seeing me all dressed up because at home I don't dress up at all. So उनको भी जब देखने का मौका मिलता है कि हाय मेरी बेटी सजी है, तो वो सारी पिक्चर्स मंगवाती है, then वो बोलती रहती है प्लीज ये डाल दे, मेरे लिए डाल दे ये वाली, अच्छा मेरे लिए डाल दे वो वाली. It's that simple. Like thankfully my team or you know, my PR, they don't interfere at all. They feel that, you know, I should be my own person, and my account should reflect me, and that's the reason you see all those filmy, sarcastic, and I don't know, little pun intended captions. So
yes, of course.
Yes.
I want to know, outside of the movies, इस वक्त what are you obsessed with? Like what are you spending time either learning or watching or reading? ये मुझे बताओ यार.
And whenever I get time, I make sure I watch something or the other. I love watching films or series. And currently, I think I just finished Atypical. And I love reading books as well. I'm fascinated how the brain works. And I'm really into meditation. So
Lovely.
so I think that there is, because everything is connected, everything is interrelated, and I like to see those parallels, and I like to see that. I want to see that thread. How is it connected? Because I think every actor will agree that sometimes whenever you when you perform, sometimes कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जो आपने सोचा नहीं होता है,
Yeah.
जो आपने ना ही प्रेप करते हुए सोचा होता है, ना आपने सोचा होता है कि अरे कैरेक्टर ऐसा होगा, ना ही कभी डिस्कस भी नहीं किया होता है. तो जब आप उसको देखते हैं ना कि यार ये तो मैं नहीं हूँ, ये कहाँ से ऑपरेट हो रहा है,
और ये कहाँ से आया?
कहाँ से आया, एग्जैक्टली दिस क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली मेरे को परफॉर्मेंसेस के बाद ही ऐसा लगा कि कहाँ से आया, बिकॉज मैंने तो नहीं सोचा. सो तभी आई स्टार्ट चेजिंग this question, like where did it come from? And then I got into meditation and spirituality, and then I realized that everything is actually connected. So that's the reason I don't take pride when people praise me, because I know that it's not me, it's something which is beyond me.
Basically दीदी के दरबार में ये सब पाया है. Also, what's interesting is that I think until about pandemic se pehle bhi, I remember that one thing that you would talk about in your interviews was the fact that how you'd auditioned for a very very big film, और तुम्हें वो film unfortunately नहीं मिली थी, and that was Student of the Year 2. And I was kind of happy about it that you spoke about it, because अक्सर actresses कभी बोलेंगी नहीं, but you kind of said, you know what, it's the truth, so I'm going to talk about it today. After all of this, do you feel happy that नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं?
To be very honest, I wasn't sad कि नहीं हुआ था, क्योंकि I gave a bad audition. I took the responsibility that it was the worst audition of my life, and really bad. I think I psyched myself out. I got sick a night before, and I knew it the moment I walked out of that office. I just knew it that Radhika क्या करके आई है तू? And but that was also really important, because that day I decided that no matter what, no matter who I'm auditioning for, I will just have a blast at my auditions.
Yeah.
That was a great, great learning for me, because after a week or two, I got an audition for Patakha, and I told myself that it's fine. I know it's D. Vishal Bhardwaj, but don't psych yourself out. Just enjoy and have a blast in those 2 minutes. And that thing has really worked for me. It worked for me during Angrezi, it worked for me during Patakha, and a lot many auditions as well. So I think that lesson was required. I'm actually grateful that it didn't happen, because otherwise I wouldn't have realized कि क्या चीज मुझे रोक रही है.
I love it. And the honesty that you bring to this chat today as well. That's rare. And that's why I think it's so much fun chatting with you. आने वाले दिनों में, of course, क्या आ रहा है हमें बताओ. तो मुझे, I know that Shiddat's coming up, right?
Yeah. Shiddat is, we finished Shiddat. I hope मैं बोल पाऊं, क्योंकि हम 3 बार रैप कर चुके हैं शिद्दत, और
वापस जाना पड़ रहा है.
तो मेरे को समझ में भी नहीं आता कि मैं रो रैप के, मतलब जब खत्म हो रही मूवी तो आपको ऐसे इमोशनल हो जाते हो ना. तो हम लोग सारे 3 बार इमोशनल हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. तो अब जब होते हैं, तो लास्ट टाइम जब हुआ तो हमें लग रहा था कि रोए या ना रोए, कि एक और दिन शूट करना पड़ेगा. But hopefully it's all done now, and I'm excited, because abhi the producer is yet to decide whether he wants to release it in the theaters or digitally. It's going to be their call. Me and Sunny, we have done our part, and it's a role that the audience has not seen me in. I hope it surprises you in a good way. I hope it entertains you. And you get to see a different flavor of it.
Yeah, I think you've done that with all your films, right? I remember that Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota was conventionally, agar dekhne jaye, to it wasn't really a dream debut. But if you ask me, for all those references, and if you're a fan of the movies, it was a dream debut. मेरे हिसाब से.
It was.
It totally was.
Yeah.
There you were. मतलब solo action scene मतलब चल रहा है. I'll never forget because मैंने ये फिल्म जो थी मामी में देखी थी बड़े पर्दे पर, you know. तो वहाँ पे तो अलग ही. Anyway, watching fans and freaks, people सीटी बज रही है, ताली बज रही है. And now, of course, watching you part of these, you know, fun anthologies on Netflix. I think you're having fun, and that's the most important thing. And I just hope that you continue to have fun, because the more fun you have, the more fun we're going to have as an audience.
I hope I keep doing that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I hope you had fun chatting with me today. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. And thank you so much.
I had a blast. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhika. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.